good? Alright, I think we're good now. Well, Captain Justin's got something.
Big old trout.
One fish should be another. Get up in there.
Ooh, look at that.
Nice, alright, good. Cast it up in there.
Yeah, right on the edge of the right on the edge of the ripples is where the snook and trout sit. They may get in the slam easy. Yeah, good dinner now.
Yeah, here we go.
The only trout we caught last time was like 25 inches. He's right to the left of where I just landed. You really don't see that triple tail. He's right under that grass patch. See his tail sticking up? Look at his tail sticking in the air.
Oh, I see it.
He's got his nose right in it.
Oh my god. Yeah, I see it.
Alright, I'm gonna catch him right there. Watch this. Oh, got him. He's coming for it. Here. Here. Launch out of the water. Crazy little things, aren't they?
Hey.
Is it flat?
No, it's too small. Just cut the line and let's get a quick picture of them.
Wait, how do you... Oh.
Alright. No, we don't need the net for that little thing.
Jesus Christ.
This is the problem with triple tails, they swallow the end hook. It really sucks. It looks like a black drum. It's a black drum.
It is, Zach. That's our first black drum.
That's a good eater size too. The baby. Let me grab it. That's a good eating size right there.
Oh. How do you cook them? Just like a red?
Yeah, I just fry them. That's a good eater size. See, these you can keep 5 per person. I'll get the net for your dad. He's diving too much to be a red.
You ready, Zach?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a red.
In there.
Well, speak of the devil, you got another red. Oh, drum. Good.
Yeah.
Hey, you got good meat in the cooler now. Those are good eater fish. It's always nice to catch small drum.
Yeah.
Those are the best eating fish.
First drum. Zach's first drum, my first drum. Black one anyway.
That's a puppy drum school. That's a good sign though. That means you're finding the whole family. You better memorize where that spot is.
Zach's got something on there.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
drum. Good job, Zach. From the tower. You guys are gonna be eating good tonight, Zach.
Yeah.
Dude,
Hey, Zach, what's the spot? Oh, you're right there.
that's another nice drum. It's the same shrimp. All right, so the school's right here next to the boat.
All right.
I'm gonna leave that one right where he just caught it. That's another keeper. God, it's about to pour on us.
Yeah.
And like this school of fish is gonna just leave.
I was kind of hoping this thing would stall from. It looks like it's stalled now. Like I can't see any of those outer islands.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
The bite's just starting to happen.
Either run for the dock. I don't think we're gonna.
It's a big trout.
Oh, a big trout, yeah.
No, they weren't.
There you go.
Nice.
All right, looky there.
Over here hiding in a tent.
Yeah. Fish hitting the rain.
Yeah, right. Fish in the rain.
Yeah.
A big trout. Like 17-inch trout.
Big.
It's a big old storm coming in. Hey, don't be too hard on it. Oh, is that a big red? Good lord, you gotta get a video of this on your phone. Oh my god.
Lots of wind.
Well, here it comes. You ready?
Ready for
Ready for whatever comes next.
whatever happens.
Like the first time.
You have fun yet? I'm having a blast.
Yeah.
I should have went back to the ramp. Wait at the storm to catch a flounder.
Oh, flounder. Nice.
After storm flounder.
Woo!